Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this magic potion that's all natural but it clears that crusty things you get inside your inner thighs. That sounds disgusting, but it's not as bad as I make it sound. But for me personally, I'm very hairy, so I shave quite a bit. Like, I know I should be doing laser, but I'm just not up to that point where I can just go and lie down and be all bare and have a random lady put lasers through my downstairs area. I'm not at that point in life yet, so I still shave, and the struggle that comes with shaving is the crustiness and sometimes like ingrown hairs and things like that, and it's a struggle, but you know, for now this works. Okay, this recipe is amazing, guaranteed. It'll clear your inner thighs, it'll clear it of the darkness, it'll clear the crustiness, it'll clear all that, and it will help minimize bumps as well. But before you use this recipe, 2 points: make sure you shave in the direction that the hair is growing, so shave downwards, not upwards. Try using hair conditioner. I have tons of natural recipes of my hair conditioners here on the channel. I'll link them in the description box below. You can use those conditioners to moisturize the area before using the razor to shave downwards. That would help to minimize a lot of the, you know, darker skin that's around that area. And then once you finish shaving, before you go and have a shower every day, just apply this magic potion and it will be baby smooth. Everything will be clean down there, no dramas. Okay, so yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so for this recipe you would need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a tablespoon of coconut oil, and half a lemon. You can use half a lime if that's what you have available. So all I'm going to do is to pour my oils into a bowl and then dissolve it to melt the coconut oil. These oils really help to moisturize the area, and that's what helps to stop the crustiness. And lemon has brightening properties that help to reveal the brighter, clearer skin that's underneath all that crustiness. So at this point I just microwave the oils a little bit just to dissolve my coconut oil, and now I'm going to add the juice of half a lemon to this. Make sure you get all the seeds out before you do this. Once that's done, I'm going to give it a good stir, and then I'm going to pour it into my bottle, and basically it's ready to go. So every time before I get into the shower, I just apply this into my inner thigh area, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and then go ahead and have a shower, and you will notice significant difference within the first week of using this. I hope this has helped. Make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at LusciousSkin&Hair. I am very active on there. I upload daily and sometimes I make live videos as well. Take care guys. Bye.